Hi. All right, sorry, I'm back. Sorry, today is 2 videos because I messed up with the first one and cut it off, and then instead of having to go remake it, here we go. Let's learn about the jaguar. The forest floor. Jaguars are the Amazon rainforest fiercest hunters. Their spotted coat helps to keep them hidden in the undergrowth as they stalk their prey, which includes cattle and pigs. The rainforest floor is dark because most of the sunlight is absorbed in the treetops 130 feet above. The branches spread out to form a large leafy blanket called a canopy, where most of the rainforest plants and animals live. Jaguars are found in the understory. Jaguars are big, spotted cats. The jaguar can be hard to see. Its spots help it blend in with the dappled light and shade of the understory. That helps the jaguar hide from animals it wants to eat. During the day, this big cat snoozes in the trees. As the sun goes down, it walks out of its shadowy hiding place. It creeps along quietly. When it spots its prey, it pounces, whomp! It's a mammal. It's about the size of a long bed. It eats sloth, deer, monkeys, birds, turtles, and frogs. It makes a bark-like roar and can have 1 to 4 babies at a time. Jaguars are good swimmers. They hunt for fish and turtles in the water. A mother jaguar guards her cubs from other animals. Jaguar cubs stay with their mother until they're about 2 years old. She shows them everything they need to know to live on their own, including how to hunt. Most jaguars are orange or tan with black spots, but some have such dark fur that it's hard to see their spots. Jaguars are not the only wild cats that live in rainforests. Here's some more, like a marbled cat, an ocelot, a jaguardoni. All right, now we're going to learn about some colorful birds called macaws. Macaws are one of 1,500 bird species that live in the rainforest. These brightly colored members of the parrot family gather in large numbers on the clay cliffs of the Amazon River. Here they feed on minerals that are thought to protect them from any poisons in the seeds that they eat. Macaws use their powerful hooked beaks to crack open shells that surround the seeds. So what layer do you think we're going to find the macaws in? Down on the forest floor? In the understory? Maybe in the canopy? But they actually are emergent layer birds. Blue and yellow macaw. These big birds make a lot of noise. Blue and yellow macaws are chatty birds. They screech and squawk to talk to each other. During the day, blue and yellow macaws fly from tree to tree, searching for fruit and nuts to eat. They use their strong beaks to crack open hard nuts. They're a bird. They are about the size of a 2-year-old human. They eat seeds, nuts, and fruit. They squawk and screech, and they have 2 to 3 eggs at a time. A macaw can pick up food with its claws and bring it to its mouth. Macaws can copy the sounds of other animals. Macaws are a kind of parrot. Here are some other parrots that live in the canopy and emergent layers of the rainforest. So now we're going to learn about an animal called a tapir. So this is a lowland tapir. This animal has an extra long nose. The lowland tapir has black or brownish, gray, bristly fur and a short ridge or mane of hair on its head and shoulders. This animal's long snout or trunk helps it smell a predator nearby. The tapir also uses its snout to pluck leaves and fruit off trees. It's a mammal. He is about the size of a 5-year-old child. He eats fruits and leaves. He shrills, clicks, and snorts to make noises, and they have one baby at a time. A group of tapirs is called a candle. Spots and stripes on a baby tapir help it hide from hungry animals. The markings blended in with leaves in the shadows, because these animals live, where do you think? The forest floor, that's right. So when they're babies, they have all these spots and stripes, but then as they get older, they just look like that. So now you can go find your sloth, your jaguar, your macaw, and your tapir, color them, cut them out, and glue them into their layers in your habitat. Thanks, I'll see you later.